Aloha, Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, April 28th. We are so excited to announce the opening of our first inclusive playground at Lidgate Beach Park, which has been met with an overwhelmingly positive response. This first fully inclusive park tailors to sensory play for children living with developmental disabilities. This park was a promise to our community, and we thank our parks team, the Friends of Kamalani and Lidgate Park, the Leadership Koi class of 2022, the mothers who graciously met with me in early 2019 to explain their challenges, and all those who helped make this dream a reality for our keiki living with disabilities. We hope this will be the first of many inclusive parks on our island. On Wednesday, we joined communities across the country and around the world and wore jeans with a purpose for the National Denim Day. As the longest running sexual violence prevention and education campaign in the United States, Denim Day encourages all to make a social statement with their fashion by wearing jeans as a visible means of protest against the misconceptions that surround sexual assault. It remains an integral part of Sexual Assault Awareness Month, and we thank the Zonta Club of Kauai for advocating for this important cause. To learn more about Denim Day, please visit denimdayinfo.org. Now for an update on COVID-19. We are now facing another spike in cases, many associated with holiday gatherings earlier this month. Our 7-day case average is now 25 cases per day. That's more than double last week's average of 10 cases a day, which was up from 6 a day 2 weeks ago. And the actual number of cases is likely much higher than this due to the use of home test kits that aren't reported to the Department of Health. Our test positivity rate is now nearly 17%, up from 12% last week. That's almost double the statewide test positivity rate. Cases and test positivity rates are rising on all islands. Nationally, the CDC reports that cases rose 25% across the country last week. The new highly contagious subvariants are likely contributing to the rise in cases. Hospitalizations have increased, but thanks to vaccines and treatments, the hospitals remain well below capacity. Statewide, there are now 54 patients in hospitals with COVID, up from 36 in hospitals statewide the week before, according to the Healthcare Association of Hawaii. Sadly, we do have another death to announce today. The fatality was in a male Kauai resident in his 70s who was hospitalized. Our deepest condolences go out to his family. This is a somber reminder that while we go back to our daily lives, COVID is still here. We each must make choices that are best for our families, like getting a booster and or wearing a mask in crowded indoor space. Mahalo for continuing to respect one another and our individual choice. One easy way to help protect your loved ones and colleagues is using a home test kit. Take a test if you feel sick or think you may have been exposed and before visiting vulnerable kupuna. We're giving out 15,000 more free test kits around the island next week. Come meet us at your neighborhood center and please respect our limit of 5 test kits per household. On Monday, May 2nd, we'll be on the west side handing out free test kits at the Kikaha Neighborhood Center starting at 9 a.m. and the Waimea Neighborhood Center at 1 p.m. On Tuesday, May 3rd, find us on the North Shore at 9 a.m. at the Hanalei Neighborhood Center and 1 p.m. at Kilauea Neighborhood Center. Wednesday, May 4th, we'll be at Hanapepe Neighborhood Center at 9 and Kalaheo Neighborhood Center at 1. On Thursday, May 5th, Anahola Clubhouse at 9 and in Kapa'a at the Brian J. Baptiste Sports Complex at 1 p.m. And the final day, Friday, May 6th, Kolo Neighborhood Center at 9 a.m. and Lihue Neighborhood Center at 1. Every household is also eligible for a second round of free test kits by mail from the federal government. If you already got one set mailed to you earlier this year, you can sign up for a second set for free now by visiting covidtest.gov. You're welcome to get both a set from the county and a mail order from the national website. And you can still get a free same-day rapid PCR test at the Kauai War Memorial Convention Hall every weekday from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. and from the mobile testing van Wednesday through Sunday from 9 to 1 at neighborhood centers around the island. The full schedule is posted at kauai.gov/COVID tests. Adults 50 and older and younger people with weakened immune systems are eligible for a second booster of the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines 4 months after their last dose. For younger, healthy people, only one booster is recommended. For a list of locations, please visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Lastly, many of you have already heard the wonderful news surrounding Kauai's very own Halau Kale Mokihana o Lenaala, who claimed the overall title at the 59th Annual Merry Monarch Festival this past weekend. The Halau also took first place in Wahine Hula, Kahiko, Wahine Hula Awana, and Wahine overall. Their performances left us all speechless and in awe. Mahalo to the Halau and Kumuhula Lenaala Pavao Jardine for bringing all of us to tears and representing Kauai with honor and aloha. This week, our Moikeha building will remain illuminated at night in purple and green lights as our entire island continues to celebrate your victory. Mahalo, Kauai.